Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set meeting in Webex. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to schedule a meeting in Webex, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Webex app, and then once you're inside, be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on the meetings tab at the bottom of your screen. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select the date or simply select the event that you want, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is click on schedule button or calendar icon. Then all you gotta do now is fill in the meeting details like meeting topic, date and time, duration and invitees. Then you can add optional settings like set a password, add agenda, enable automatic recording, etc. Then lastly, simply tap on schedule and then you'll set a meeting on that specific selected date. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.